Hi friends, welcome to SK in detail, and today we are going to see insertion into the linear array. So here is the algorithm, and after that we will see a simple C program which will quickly run without any error. Friends, see the first step. In the first step we are starting counter from I, and I will start from last location. The idea of this we will see in the next slide. Okay, here is the next slide, friends. You can see there is a array of 4 elements. The locations and the values are shown properly in this figure. If you want to insert an item that is triple 2 at the position k, suppose position is 2, so we have to insert triple 2 value after triple 1 at the second position. So what will done, the other three values, that is triple 3, triple 4 and triple 5, will move towards the, or we have to forward them, we have to move them to the next location. So the value of triple 5 of the level of, at the location of 4 will move towards the fifth location. In the same way, third will move towards the fourth position, and second will move towards the third position, and then the triple 2 value will be inserted at the second location. So for this purpose, you can understand that we have to start I counter from the last location, that is from the fourth location. Now we will see the algorithm here. You can see in the algorithm the counter is starting from last location, and we have to check that I must be greater than or equal to k, that is the position, because the values of the location after the position, we have to make them forward, we have to move them forward, we have to move that values downward. So for this purpose, in the fourth step you can see that the value of the location LAI, that is linear array I, suppose that I is 4, will be moved to the location, next location, that is LAI plus 1, that is the fourth location value will be moved to fifth location. In the same way, all the values will be moved. After moving fourth value, the counter will decrease and I will reach to third position. So the third position value will be moved to fourth location. And in the same way, because we have to insert that element at second position, we have to move the second element value to the third location. And when you check in the second step, I must be greater than or equal to k, that loop will stop, and then at the second position, that is in the step 6, you can see the item will be inserted at the LAK. K is nothing but the second position, and in the seventh step you have to increase the size of n, that is the size of the array. N is equal to n plus 1. So after n is equal to n plus 1, the array size will increase by 1, that is after 5 it will become 6. And here is the simple program. You can see here program is very simple after this diagram. See friends, insertion algorithm, the first 4 5 steps are very easy. We will directly start from the integer array. A double R is the name of array, and 100 will be the size of that array. I is the counter, position will be the given by user, that will be stored in this variable. N is the variable which stores the size of the array, and value will be the item value or the element value given by the user. Now friends, we are asking first question to the user, that enter array size, that will be decide the size of array. The given size will be stored in the n, %d address of n, and then we are asking user to enter array elements. So if user have given the 4 size, that will be given by the user, that 4 elements values. Okay, and we are accepting and we are storing that values by using for loop. Loop will start from 0, or you can start from 1 also. It will run till the last element, that is the n, and I will increase simultaneously. And we are accepting 4 locations, 4 values from the user, and then As you can see here, we are asking user, that is enter the position for insertion, at which position the user want to insert an element or the value. Okay, now we will move towards the next part of the program. Here the position given by the user will be stored at in the address of position variable, that is POS. After that, the another question is that enter the element for insertion, which value you want to insert. So the value given by the user will be stored in value variable. Okay, after that the for loop will start. Loop will start from the last location, as I have already told you. From the last location you can use this for loop. Last location n minus 1 or n, whatever the loop you have taken. From, if you are starting from 0, you have to take n minus 1. If you are starting from 1, you have to take n. Okay, so I will start from the last location of the array, and the counter will run till it reaches to the position, and I will I will decrease. After that, as I have already explained in algorithm, the last location element will be moved to the next position or next location. Suppose the last location of the array is 4, the fourth value location will be moved to I plus 1, that is fifth. As you can see here in the program, array I plus 1 is equal to array I, and then when array the counter will reach at the location, that is the position, at that time value will be inserted into array position. Okay, and finally we are printing all the elements, that is printf of array after insertion, as you can see here. So this is all about insertion into the array program. Please friend, like this video, share this video, subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.